Bover, are you ready?
No.
Are you ready, Bover?
No.
No?
No.
But it's the Halloween box.
Okay.
Woo! Dance party, Bover. Dance on the Halloween box.
Don't do it, Bob.
He's already doing it.
Ah.
Yeah. Yep. This hat still looks acceptable. My pirate hat that I made. Ah, memories. The video I worked really hard on and nobody watched. Oh god, it's so wrinkly. Those buttons are cute. Are you gonna help now, Bean? Are you helping? Hey. Hey, Stinky. Hey. Hey, Cooper. Hi. I had to catch it because you look ridiculous. This child's helmet.
It fits pretty good when we watch it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
But
but
suck in. Forget some math and it'll fit.
okay.
I'm good for war, man. I'm good.
Okay.
Let's go. Look, I'm the cool kid. I'm the
Mm.
cool knight.
Mm-hmm.
I'll listen to Limp Bizkit.
Your boob is out.
Can't go to war with a boob out. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
I have no holster for this, so I have to.
Can we go to the store today?
Sure. No way.
Why? We're so empty of decorations.
I live at the store.
It's sad. We don't have to go to that store. We could
I
go
remember you did
to
this.
a different
You
store.
painted this to make it
Yeah,
look
I
more
did.
realistic.
I tried to make it
It
shiny.
so did not work.
No, it didn't. I didn't have paint. I had a marker. So I couldn't paint the whole thing. I was like, why don't I put the edge on it? So it looks like it's been like sharpened.
I'm just letting you know that if anybody's ever ready to go to war, fight for land and country, it's me.
Okay. Yep. It's taking me Halloween decor shopping. So far it's been successful because we're late, so Michael's already had stuff off, like 50% off. We're home. We got far too many things. That's my snack. Sorry about the dishwasher sound. So, love, I'm thinking we put this spider on the front door and hang the other thingy on the bedroom door. Because it'll look better with all the stuff that's going to go in the kitchen. Bean wants the balls. Meow.
Let me do this.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah? It looks silly. We are not done, but we took care of the kitchen. Oh, it's so cute. Candy. Oh, and then a very nice pork roast with green beans. Thank you, love.
Reach.
And a haunted refrigerator because that makes all the sense. Wesley's going to trace me on the jute. Is it jute? Jute fabric.
Jute.
So I'm gonna
Jute.
put my neck above the thing. Well, we'll leave a little bit of space. Okay, so just just trace. Oh, am I even in the middle? I'm just getting a pattern of my body.
Like an inch. I guess measure it by your elbows.
What?
Yeah, that's about right.
Oh, yeah. I mean, really, we don't need to work on my arms because I have to make sleeves. So just like do like down my sides. Just go to my ankles, mark my legs, and then my other side, and then where my arms are.
You want it in here?
Just do my whole body. I just need a rough shape of my body so that when I make his actual size, I know how big to make it compared to my body.
So you're getting about an inch extra. Is that
That's perfectly fine. I haven't been vlogging in a while because I have been super busy destroying my living room for the sake of Halloween. Look at that face. Look at it. You're taking photos now? Candid.
Smile. It's a video.
Oh. Oh, are you vlogging?
They're tootsies. Those weird tootsies.
Hit me. Zip me up. Or squish me up. Adjust my neck. Yeah. Okay. This side is good. Back is good.
Good.
Alright. Now, to the balcony. Actually, I gotta see how I look first. Do I look good? It's a little short, but
You gotta say, I'm the Oogie Boogie.
I'm the Oogie Boogie man. Wait, I got this. Ready? I'm trying to walk like this. My legs are too long now for him. Ready?
Yeah.
How is it? Is it good? Okay.
Hello.
Hello! Pooper boy. Are you happy? The window's open?